Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we help you master the art of Salesforce administration. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue, and that is editing list views when the controls are grayed out. If you've run into this problem in the past, it can be so frustrating, but do not worry because we got you covered. You are in the right place. But before we dive into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so first things first is all I gotta do is go to the web browser of your choice. Type in salesforce.com, and once you are in the home page of the Salesforce, you gotta have to create your account here. Create an account. It's easy, don't worry. It's fast and simple. And once you created your account, when you log in, you will be directed to the first interface, such as this one. Okay, so going back, once you are inside in the interface, all you gotta do is if you click this icon here, the setup, okay, okay, let's click the setup. Let's click the So when you click the icon here and click setup, all right, you will then have to type in the search bar for because when you encounter a list view, there's a gray part that you can't really edit because these are you can edit it using the pencil icon, but there are instances where you can the information is grayed out and you can't have the option to edit it. So that's the reason why we're going to help you with this video. So once you hover down to the setup, you have to type in profiles. Okay. Once you are in profiles, the reason could be is that the administrator did not give you permission to edit that certain list view. So you have to double check on that by going to sales. There you go. So here are the one of the information that you're gonna see because you will be asked to manage the public list views, create and customize list views and all of that, because the user might be attempting to edit the list view, may not have the necessary permissions to modify list views. In Salesforce, it is a strict a platform that only allows users with specific permissions, such as system and administrator or those with manage public list views. Okay, so you have to verify the user's profile and permission sets to ensure they have the appropriate access. And also, if the list view is shared by or owned by another user, you may not have the permissions to edit it. Okay, because list views owned by others can typically only be modified by their owners or users with higher level privileges. And also, the process for editing list views may differ between Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning Experience. So you have to ensure you are using the appropriate interface and navigation to edit list views, okay? Because some list views, to particularly the system-defined views, can be locked by Salesforce administrators to prevent accidental modifications. Uh, like this one, see? Because in such cases, the controls will be grayed out to maintain data integrity, okay? And certain standard objects in Salesforce may have limitations on list view editing because custom object typically offers more flexibility in this regard, okay? And to address this issue, the enable list view editing, you can take actions such as, ensure that you have the necessary permissions or elevate your profile. You can ask your boss or the company to give you more access, and or you can verify the ownership and share settings on the list view. Also, if you're still facing challenges, you have to consult the Salesforce admin or support to resolve the issue and have full control over list view editing based on your own organization's requirement, okay? And once again, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support. We love having you as part of our community. And I will see you guys in the next video.